Hey, welcome. And now we can continue from where we start. Now, within the Silver Harbor, it also has a property known as flexible space. And this is going to take in a widget known as Layout Builder, which is basically referring to how we want to display our widget. Now, within the Layout Builder, it has a property known as Builder. And this is going to take into properties. One is the context, and the other it is something known as constraint, which is basically referring to height and width. And now we can return something known as flexible space bar, and B to make this wide. Within the flexible space bar, it has a property known as background, and we can have a container. And in order to have access to some additional properties the container has, we can then have a decoration and then a box decoration class. And first of all, we want to give this container two colors at same time. And in order to do this, we're going to be using something known as gradient and linear gradient and colors, and it expects list of colors. So by this way, we can have more than one colors. And this is going to be colors, the blue, and the other color is going to be colors the yellow. Okay, and we can see this first of all, how it's going to look. Okay, seems good. Oh, probably yellow and shade of neon red. Like always, you can always go with your color. Okay, I think this is okay. Great. And as you know, in first of all, add a comma in order to format this. And within the container, it has a property known as type. And we can just go ahead and wrap it with the center to take it to the center horizontally because we're going to be using a column. A child, we can then have a column. And as you know, a column can take in multiple widgets, which are going to be displayed vertically. That is from top to bottom, right? And first of all, we can have a container, and we can give this container a height of 90 and also a width of 90. You're going to see this shortly. And in order to have access to some additional styles property, we can then have the decoration and the box decoration class. Okay, we can then give this a color of colors dot white. And let's see how this is gonna look. Okay, sounds cool. And within the box decoration class, we can then have a border radius to make this a bit rounded. Border radius, that's circular of 10. Okay, wait for this, wait for this, wait for this. Okay, seems good. And within the column, we can then say main axis element, the center. Remember, we are wrapping it with the center widget. We are wrapping the column with the center widget, and that's why you're saying it over here, right? You're saying it's going to take it to the center horizontally since it is a column. But now we have this main axis element dot center, and this is going to take it now to the center. Seems cool. Seems cool. Okay. And we can also add a train comma via a train comma. Okay, and we can then have a child. And the child is going to be an icon button, icon button, and this, sorry, this is a button. It's going to take in the unpress, so this, and sorry, icon widget. And we can use the Cupertino icons, Cupertino icons, then dot photo, photo camera, and use photo for now. In the future, we can always change this to something else. Okay, sounds cool, right? Great. In the